Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the case back and stabilizing the movement. Use the correct opener for your watch type so you don't damage the threads. Once the movement is exposed, secure the crown and place the movement in a holder or on a strip of double-sided tape to prevent rotation. Make sure you have a loop and fine tweezers ready. This prevents accidental shifts. Do this now so you can make precise adjustments to the hands without stressing the dial or gears. You'll now lift the hands carefully using brass hand levers or a plastic pusher to avoid scratching the dial. Approach from multiple angles and remove hour, minute, then seconds. Once off, inspect the hand feet and central hole for wear, deformation, or debris that causes looseness. Measure the fit on the cannon pinion and check clearances between hands and the dial. This tells you whether tightening, friction material, or a new part is needed. Make notes so you choose the right repair. You reseat the hands by aligning them at 0 and pressing evenly onto the cannon pinion with a hand press to ensure parallel seating. Uneven pressure creates wobble. If they remain loose, fit a thin shim or adhesive film or replace the worn cannon pinion. Avoid excessive glue that can seize motion. Once assembled, test the watch for 24 to 48 hours to confirm stable engagement and correct timekeeping. If you see drift or rubbing,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.